Do you know you can make up to $20 per hour just watching YouTube videos? Now, if you want to know how this can be done and how possible it is, keep watching. But also do note, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just for educational purpose only. Now, if you're ready for this, let's jump right into it. The first thing you're going to do is to come to this website, admefast.com. You're going to log in right here. You can see where it says email, password, and login. Okay, if you do not have an account, what you're going to do is to come over here where it says free registration, click that, and then put in your details and sign up for an account. Okay, so now once you're signed up for your account and then you log in, your dashboard is going to look like this. Now you might be asking, what is this site all about? This is a social exchange website. Basically, this is a website where you can collect points for liking people's social media pages. Okay, for example, you can subscribe to somebody's YouTube channel and get some points, like somebody's Instagram post, Twitter post, and then get some points. Now you might be saying, so how can I get these points? Now this is it. Let's use something like YouTube, watching YouTube videos, for instance. So if I come here, you can see where it says YouTube views. If I click on that, now that's gonna bring me here. As you can see here, now I've got a YouTube video to watch, and as you can see, it says right here, if I zoom that in, you can see it says view this video for 75 seconds and get 20 points. So what I'm gonna do is to click on this video. Okay, watch the video and do not skip. You can see it says do not skip, so view it for 75 seconds and get 20 points. So if I click on that, it shows me this. So it says tap here, so I'm gonna do that. Now that brought me to this YouTube video, which I have watched for over 75 seconds. If I show you the timer here, you can actually see that's true. So what I'm going to do is to click back now. Now back to the website, you can see I've got an additional 24 points added to the initial 40 points that was here. Now it's 64 points for just watching that video. Now you can imagine how much points you can actually accumulate here working on this website for 1 hour or 2 hours. Okay, you might be saying, is it compulsory to watch only YouTube videos? No. If you come here, you can see all the services available. Now you might be asking, how am I going to make money just watching YouTube videos, Facebook likes, and doing all those stuffs on this website? Now that's going to take us to the next step in this process. So to monetize those points, you're going to come to this website, playerup.com. You're going to create an account and then sign in. So once you have an account, okay, now you can come to this place where it says find your marketplace. You're going to type something like Instagram likes. Okay, so if you type that, that's going to bring you to this page. Now you can see that a lot of people are doing what I'm showing you in this video. You've got people who already created listings on this website selling Instagram likes. You can see the amount of money they are demanding that you pay them. Okay, this guy here, let's zoom that in. This guy here is selling 10,000 likes. He's gonna deliver them within 1 to 24 hours, 10,000 Instagram likes. Okay, and you can see he's charging $15. If we go down here, you can see, if we go down here, you can see this guy charging $14. The same thing, $12. You can see this guy is charging $20. Okay, he's gonna deliver his service within 48 hours, 10,000 Instagram likes. Okay, so let's say we use this as a base here, making $20. You can actually make $20 in 1 hour. Okay, so all you've got to do is to work for 1 hour non-stop on that website. You're going to collect enough points to be able to do this. So you might be saying, so what am I going to do? What you're going to do is you're going to come to this website. After signing up, you're going to create a listing like this, and to make it more interesting, you're going to add in your listing that you only supply real human likes. Okay, non-drop. Okay, yeah, of course, because you can see the process on that website. We actually did watch the YouTube video. Okay, so what you're gonna do is when somebody buys your service here, you're gonna get their details and then go to that website and then place them on that website and people are also going to come to that website and do the same thing. Okay, you can see, so real human likes, humans are going to do it. Okay, so that's the process. You can see you can actually make $20 doing this, $4 depending on the amount of likes you are willing to deliver. 1,000 likes to make $4. You can see people are doing this and they are actually selling. Okay, this guy here has gotten over 4,000 replies, over 15,000 views on his listing. So you might say, so how do I get started? So to get started, you are going to come down here and see where they've got their guides. Okay, you might want to read these getting started guides to get more information beyond what I'm just showing in this video because of time constraints. Okay, so once you're ready, you're going to create your listing here. The process is basically simple. All you've got to do is to follow the on-screen instructions and create your listing. Now if somebody orders your service, what you're going to do is you're going to come back to this website. Okay, so now let's say the person orders Instagram likes. Okay, mind you, for you to be able to do this, you've got to work here first to get some points. Okay, so let's say you have enough points. What you're going to do is you are going to come here where it says add. Okay, so you're going to click on that. So let's zoom that in. So you're going to click that add. So that's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. So you can see where it says Facebook likes. Okay, so basically I'm using Instagram likes as an example in this video. So you're going to click on that. You're going to change it to Instagram likes. Okay, so because we want to sell Instagram likes, so you want to get Instagram likes for the person. Now basically from the order you get on playerup.com, probably the person gives you specific targeting. Okay, maybe the person doesn't want the likings to come from worldwide. You're gonna uncheck this. When you uncheck this, it's gonna give you the option here to select the countries where you want the likes to come from. Okay, so you're gonna select the countries the person gives you. If the person says he wants the likes from anywhere in the world, then why not? You could just simply click on this and go with this worldwide. Okay, so now the next thing here would be to, you can see here it says let's zoom that in again. It says your site/page title must be only in letters and numbers. So you're gonna put the person's Instagram page title, you're gonna put his photo URL, and then you're gonna select how many clicks the person needs. Okay, in this case the person needs 10,000 likes on the post, Instagram likes, because if it's gonna be an Instagram like, probably the person made a post and he wants somebody to like it. So you are going to provide add the number of likes the person wants, how many you're going to deliver daily. You're going to put it depending on how many hours you said you were going to deliver the likes on PlayerUp. Okay, on your PlayerUp listing. Okay, so and now this is where we have CPC. This simply means cost per click. Okay, now it says minimum is 5 and maximum is 50. So now to actually get people to do this thing fast, okay, you're gonna have to make sure you increase the number here. Okay, so and once you're done putting those things, then you're gonna click the save changes button, and that's it. Okay, what is gonna happen is that people who come to this website to collect points, okay, who want to work on this website, who want to collect points by liking people's Instagram post, okay, they're gonna come here, and this website is gonna bring out your client's job, which you've already added here, okay, and they're gonna like, and then once the desired number is delivered to the customer, you're gonna get paid on playerup.com. So this video is basically not enough to give you all the nitty-gritties, basically give you the structure of how this thing works. Okay, so what you're gonna do is go to these both websites, do a lot of readings and studies to figure out more on few things you need to add to get this thing done correctly. Okay, but the truth is you can actually make $20 and even more doing this thing for 1 hour or even 2 hours. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. This is Brigxel Bees, and it's your guy Ken signing out.